Hi, my name is Ingrid Brown. I'm an interior designer and I'm going to teach you today how to fluff or shape an artificial Christmas tree. Trees are compressed for shipping, so when you unbox one, it's going to look a lot different than the ones you see in pictures or in stores. You will need to fluff and shape each branches to get the full result you really want. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here today with you. I'm using the balsam spruce Christmas tree from Treetopia. Come on.
Before assembling your tree, pick up the spot where you want to put it up. Somewhere near a power outlet is great, so you won't need any extension cords that people and kids or pets could trip on. Take your tree out of the box and lay each section out on the floor. Check the manual and make sure that all parts are there. Are you ready?
You really don't need a lot of tools. Just make sure you have a pair of cotton gloves like these, because it can get a little pricky, and you want to be able to feel the branches to space them out and fluff them the right way. I'm also going to be using a step stool because my tree is 9 foot tall. A ladder or step stool will help you reach the topmost out of your tree. Another option would be just to fluff them at an eye level and then place it on the tree. All right, let's begin.
Each section has a number labeled, number 1 being the bottom section. Secure section 1 to the stand, making sure to insert and tighten the tree stand key. Let the hinged branches fall into place, taking care not to snag the lights and wires. Once all the branches are in place, it's time to separate the smaller branches, starting at the back of each branch. Pull the individual needles alternately upward and outward, working your way to the tip of the branches. One up, one down, or one up and 2 down. What you're aiming here is for a V pattern. The point of this is to replicate the branches of a real tree, so minimize gaps between foliage and cover up the trunk. Next, pay attention to those tips. Curl them upwards or downwards according to your preference. I personally like putting the light bulbs outwards. Now we move on to the second section. It's best to shape one section at a time. It can be a little bit overwhelming to work on 5 sections of the tree in one go, so pay equal attention to each and you will end up with a gorgeous and full tree, I promise. Before attaching the 5th and topmost section, ready your ladder or step stool and fluff and shape this section in a smooth slope, just like you'd see on a real evergreen. This also makes it tree topper ready. Another feature of this tree is that it comes with a socket fixed to the top. It's perfect for your lighted tree topper. Isn't it amazing? Now take a break to appreciate the shape and fullness of your tree. If you're a perfectionist like me, this is where you'll adjust until you're satisfied. Another thing that I really love about this balsam spruce Christmas tree is that it features a lighting technology. They call it a quick set. This basically means all the light strings are automatically connected within the trunk while setting up. All I need to do is plug in the socket and it lights up in one go. It's so convenient. This tree comes with clear and multi-LED lights that you can control with a foot pedal.
They also come with extra bulbs and fuses. Isn't that gorgeous? And now to start decorating the fully fluffed artificial Christmas tree. And I hope this video has helped you shape your Christmas tree to its full potential. Let me know if you have any comments and leave them in the box below. So what are you waiting for? Head over to treetopia.com and get the traditional green Christmas tree or a colorful Christmas tree of your dreams. See you next time.